Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a 3-ingredient slime recipe, and this is how your slime will turn out to be. So let's get on with the video. So all you'll need for this slime project is a bowl, like a little cup, like a spoon, baking soda, glue, and contact solution. And you can add color if you want to. I didn't because I like it white like this. It has like some like crayon pieces in it. So first you're gonna add some of your glue. And I'm gonna add some color into this one. So I think I'm just going to add in some crayons. I'm gonna make mine blue. If I can find the blue crayons. I have the hiccups that I don't like. No, dang it. Where the heck is mine? Okay. How do I show these? It's red. Orange. Pink. The blue. Blue. Finally, I found the blue. I can go over there. I need to really clean up my slime station. So I'm just going to take out all these blues. And the ones I'm going to be using is this one. Just going to break off like that. I got this. I'm just gonna put it in my little bowl jigger thing. I'm gonna use another color. I think I'm gonna use this like other turquoise that I have. I love this color. So while they're in the microwave, it's going to take a while to melt them. So an easy trick to make your crayons melt faster is to put some coconut oil. Yeah, coconut oil in it. Okay, so I got my coconut oil here. Since they're like 2 crayons and they're really big, I'm using this little spoon and I got like that much, about that much. Maybe just a little more. And I just went to the dentist like a couple hours ago. So if my like over here, like if I start like going like that, just know that my lip hurts. And I'm shooting this video right now because I had a half day today and I got picked up extra early. I love the slime. The texture is like so good. Like it feels so good. It like feels like, I don't know. But you can also make this slime like butter slime with clear glue. It will just take the slime longer to be clear because you're adding this baking soda. Now I'm gonna go put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. So while I'm doing that, I'll be showing you my slime. This is what it turned out like. See how good of a poop I can make. A little swirly poop. This is as good as I can make it. It kind of looks like one of those things that you would get at a bakery. Okay, so now you're gonna want to put a lot of baking soda in. Like maybe that much for now. And I'm just gonna take my spoon here and mix it. It's gonna be really powdery, and you'll want it to be really powdery. It's really powdery and wet. So if it's like this, and it's like really like wet, add a lot of baking soda. I had to add so much baking soda to this, and I'm making a bigger batch, so I'll need so much more. I'm gonna go check on my crayons. Like the coconut oil is like only melting, but it looks really cool. And the crayons will melt. It just takes a while. So it is ready, so I'm just gonna add that in. And the crayons do harden. So this is what my color is turning out to be like. And it like hardens in the cup. That's why my cup was red, because I used a lot of pink in one of my slimes, but it did not turn out well. So this is the color that I got. This texture of the slime like feels like butter slime, but with like a lot of baking soda. And comment down below if you have ever seen any other YouTuber or somebody make this kind of slime, and if you haven't, I am going to call this slime, because I made it up. If any other YouTuber hasn't made it up, I'm going to make this one called let me think. The baking soda butter slime. Yes. And this one is going to be like the marshmallow one, or like the snow one. And this one's going to be like a blue raspberry one. Oh gosh, I have to add even more of this. And if you add a lot of baking soda, it will make, if you add any color, it will make your color lighter. So I recommend you add dark colors to this, because it's just like, it's just like the foaming stuff. It makes the color not as light. I just love this slime. It's my favorite slime out of all of my slimes. And the thing I'm really mad about is my mom threw away my clear slimes. And I used like all of my glue on one of my clear slimes, which she threw away. So I'm really mad about that. I'm so mad. It'll like be dough. If it's like dough at one point, what you want to do is add like the contact solution. I added way too much. I added way too much baking soda. I'm just gonna add a lot of contact solution. So mine's kind of like just like dough, like Play-Doh. So this is what mine is. And I think I'm gonna add some shaving cream. If you guys have shaving cream, add some. But if you don't, just keep adding contact solution. This is not turning out how this one did. See that compared to that. I'm going to add some of my tacky glue because I added tacky glue to this one. So if you guys have any like other kinds of glues, you might want to try that, except for super glue. No, super glue. I have some tacky glue still in there. This is the only bit of clear slime I have. Okay, so it's coming out. I can see it. Well, like it's at like the bottom area. I can see it. My TV is not on. Like it's always on. It's always on though. Okay, so that's not coming out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some more contact solution. Or I might add some water. Add some water, you guys. I got this water. And the water will help it because I added water to this one. This isn't really working, so I'm gonna add some of this slime to it to see if it will work. So I think the crayon didn't work. I'm still kneading this still. Like really wet and gooey. So this one is unfortunately a fail. I think it was because of the crayons, or I added way too much baking soda. I think I added way too much baking soda, and the water like made it like really gross. And I just wasted one of my favorite slimes. Well, I'm trying to fix it. See, like, I can, like, take, like, that much. But, like, put it in there, but that's it. Because I, like, have to, like, get that out of the way. So I really do hope you guys like this video. And if you do really want to try this, don't add that much baking soda. And let me think. Don't add water. I added water to this one and I just remembered. This little tiny little guy. Well, tiny little guy. I'm gonna eat it. Ready? Oh. I'm gonna die. Oh my god, that's gonna wreck my tooth. I just got a silver tooth put in. Okay, that's disgusting. Bye!